Good morning, children. I welcome you all for today's online class. In previous class, we have started the grammar concept. And which grammar concept we have studied, children? That is question tags. Today, I would like to start with the another concept, that is auxiliary verbs. So yesterday when I was teaching you question tag, I have cleared it that while you making the question tags you have to focus on the auxiliary verbs, and some words were also colored in that. So that only you are going to study today, how you are going to use the proper auxiliary verbs and what are the auxiliary verbs. One by one we will see it today. See, auxiliary verbs. An auxiliary verb is a verb that changes or helps another verb. So what are those verbs, children? Am, are, is, was, were, being, can, could, do, means did, does, doing, has, have, having, even may, might, must, shall, should. So these are auxiliary verbs. How these auxiliary verbs are used in a sentence, we will study it one by one. Here are some examples. He has done the work. So which is auxiliary verb here? Has. Yes. We will be there in a minute. Can you tell me which is auxiliary verb here? Yes, it is will. Would you help me with this homework? Which is auxiliary verb, children? It is would. Can you open the door? Auxiliary verb is can. Did you visit in New York last holiday? Auxiliary verb here is did. Do you like chocolate? Do is the auxiliary verb. They must get there on time. Must is the auxiliary verb. Is it clear? See, here are some more examples about the auxiliary verbs. Am, are, then be able to, been, being, can, could, dare, did, do, does, had, has, have to, may, might, must, shall, should, was, were, will, would. How these auxiliary verbs are used in a sentence, that we are going to study today. Okay. These are modal auxiliary verbs, children. These are also used in a sentence, but these are separately called as modal auxiliary verbs. Can, could, will, would, may, might, must, shall, should. See, we will study one by one. If auxiliary verb is am, what will be the sentence? I am sorry for what I have done. If auxiliary verb is, he is a great all-rounder player. Are, you are never too old to learn. Was, he was elected by a unanimous vote. Where, the children were playing with a ball. B, music will be played on a phonograph. Been, this actress has been divorced from her husband. Will, he will not play volleyball. Has, he has bought some tropical fruits. Have, our guests have arrived. Had, I had not seen him for 15 years. Do, I do not feel like going out tonight. Does your job fulfill your expectations? Did you have a nice holiday? There are words colored here with the red, so you can identify easily how the auxiliary verbs are given. Let's solve the exercise today. And there are some more exercises which you have to do it yourself. This I will help you to do now. Choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. Gold as well as silver has or have fallen in price. Which we have to use, children? Has or have? Yes, has. Gold as well as silver has fallen in price. Politics has been spoiling education. Okay. United States has its headquarters in the USA. 50 rupees is enough for today. The family have settled their quarrel now. Justice as well as mercy allows it. The pups with their mother are missing. The bat, like other birds, has wings. Bats, unlike other birds, again, here in the beginning the bat is singular. In second sentence it is plural, children. So, bats, unlike other birds, have teeth. Then, economics is one of the subjects taught in this class. Let's solve some more examples. The United States of America is a rich country. 30 kilos is more than I can carry. 2 meters is needed for a coat for me. Measles is a dangerous disease. Physics is my favorite subject. See, whenever you are using a subject name, do not think that physics, mathematics, economics, if s is added, it is in plural. It is not in plural, children. It is considered as the name. It is singular only. It is not a common noun actually. It is a name. So, is suitable for that. So, what is the correct verb here? Physics is my favorite subject. 4 questions in addition to the first have to be answered. Why I have used here is because 4 questions is in plural form. Mohan, like his brothers, is tall. Mohan is singular. Then the workers as well as their leader have agreed. The news was broadcast on All India Radio. Billiards is an expensive game. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood the concept. Here, some more examples are given. Let's see one by one. One of the girls is late for the class. One of the girls is suitable because one is singular. It is separated. Girls, you may feel doubt that girls is in plural. Why r is not suitable? Why? Because one of the girl, the sentence has been started like one of the girls. Okay. So what is the answer here? Is the answer. Then the cause of both the accidents was the same. Each of the boys has done his homework. Each of the boys, each is considered as singular again. All my friends have joined the team. Has either of you any money? Then both the every one of us is going to the film. Every one of us is again here, not are. Both the rooms were whitewashed. One of the questions was very difficult. A few sheep were running about in the field. A few sheep, children, were running about in the field. If instead of using the sheep, if a flock of sheep is used, then was suitable. Understood? Neither Manu nor Misha was with us today. I hope you have understood all the examples. I request you to note down all these examples. So, today's your homework is from. Can you see this slide, children? There are examples from number 11 to 25. These examples you have to try yourself from 11 to 25. Understood? Already the auxiliary verbs are given in bracket. Only you have to write the suitable auxiliary verb and write it as homework. And after finishing the homework, you have to send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay? This is what today's concept is. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp and try to write some more examples which you know. Okay? Now, when you relate the concept which I have taught, the concept of grammar question tags with this, the question tags will be very easy for you. Understood? So, what is your homework, children? You have to solve this sheet, this slide from the examples 11 to 25. You can put the same number 11 to 25 and write these auxiliary verbs, correct auxiliary verbs with correct answers. You have to send it to me in WhatsApp by completing the homework. Okay? Till then, take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next session. Thank you.